Hey Diamonds, this is your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with another video. Today I wanted to do something totally different than what I normally do, and I was like, why not do something super glittery, super bold. Today I'm giving you this super bright, super bold, very glittery blue look, and I absolutely adore it. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Off camera, I did go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I also got started with my NYX eyeshadow base in white. I'm also going to go over that with my NYX finishing powder just to go ahead and set that base. First, I grabbed my BH Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm going in with that blue, laying it down slightly in my crease and right above. You do want to take some time longer than I actually show you here to blend that out to make sure you have no harsh edges. You don't want to ruin your look with that. Then I grabbed my Morphe 25B palette and I went in with the brown shade called Eye Phase, and I'm going to use that just to soften the edges. Going in with my MAC Mineralize eyeshadow in Sea and Sky, I'm going to take the deeper blue and I'm going to go in and pack that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to grab my Z palette and I'm going to go in with my Glitter Injections Pressed Glitter in Pastel Rain. And I'm also going to use the glitter, it's called Majestic Butterfly. When I tell you Glitter Injections has some bomb ass glitters, that's exactly what I mean. I said what I said, okay? So if you love glitters, definitely want to check them out. I did not have to use any primer. You did want to take note that I pressed and then swiped out a little bit just to make sure that it adheres. It needs nothing to bond it to your eyelid. It is perfect. The fallout, it was there, but it was at a minimum. I absolutely love these glitters and I definitely recommend them. Off camera, I did go ahead and do my eyeliner and lashes. For my lashes, I did use the Huda Beauty Sasha number 11. And of course, I used my Stila eyeliner in black. For my foundation, I did use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 360 Mocha. For my highlight, I did go in with Tarte's Shape Tape in the color Deep. Just trying to use that up so I can get to greener pastures. Alright Diamonds, now I'm going to go ahead and start my contour. Of course, I grabbed my Old Faithful, my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Medium Deep. Now I'm going in with my bronzer, the Estee Edit, the Barest Bronzer in Medium Deep. For my blush, I did go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Blush in Stubborn. For my highlight, I did go in with my Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Bronze Sand. I wanted to keep my lips neutral, so I went in with my absolute favorite nude lippy combo is my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil and also MAC's Double Shot. I love these two paired together. And here's the final look, Diamonds. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on your way out. As always, until next time, Diamonds.